You know, you don't have an Encho Serrano and Jeff Viernes, Balti Baltazar. It's just a new look Pampanga.
And of course, Balti Baltazar now with the Converge Fiber Xers. He's playing in the PBA, the #1 overall pick in the previous draft. Andre Armeñon scoring the first basket of this game.
Armeñon has got to be up there in the discussion. He's just a guy who knows how to feed his teammates and lead a team.
Mike Machon to get Marikina on the board. Concepcion hopping into the middle, couldn't get the bounce. Nobody contesting Jamo Eguilos for that offensive rebound and stick back. Lalata cuts through the middle. That's a nice pass coming from Jamo Eguilos. No, Pampanga will set up their offense at the half court. Concepcion 3 for 3. No, Lalata wanted to throw it down but gets 2 points nonetheless. Palma. There's Jamo Eguilos picking up.
Forward to today dahil talagang in-game daw ang mga big players for today's game. Javi and Coach Mike?
Maraming salamat. Renz Palma scoring there. Well,
because they've got a deep roster. See here, Nem de la Cruz
gets the basket plus the foul. Nagulangan niya doon si Archie Concepcion. Al City point guard now playing for the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Out to Jomel Landayan. Marlon Basco trailing the play. Attacks the closeout. Marlon Basco. Basic finger roll para kay Marlon Basco. Benon comes out para kay Matt De Leon. Clemente. Off the glass and in. Sweeping shot right there by JLC. And 6 in terms of inside points. Not a surprise there. Landayan leans in off the glass and in.
Well, interior.
Paundo kicks it out to Don Gumaru. Gumaru, one-hander is good.
Tsaka mas mabigat ngayon sa
Pampanga Giant Lanterns. I'm sure Coach Peric Di Matulak is not joyful about that one. Bauzon fakes out Chris Lalata, steps in for a jumper and gets that to go.
Unlimited.
Good denial by Mike Machon. He completes the steal. R. Casajeros will finish with the left hand. 21-19. Casajeros will take it. That one's way off the mark. Velasco is there. Machon gets the bounce pass and gets it off the bank.
Right now,
Mignon pulls it back wisely. Lalata looks inside to Jamo Eguilos. Eguilos, one-hander. That's good para kay Jamo Eguilos.
Paboritong pwesto at
De La Cruz gets a screen from Machon. De La Cruz will take it and make it.
I guess you could say the same thing for Nem de la Cruz. That's his favorite shot as well. Left elbow jumper, or right elbow jumper rather.
Eguilos. Same shot, same result para kay Jamo Eguilos.
Ball in his hand.
Concepcion goes left. Finishes at the basket.
There you go.
Nem takes it from 3 off the glass and in for Nem de la Cruz.
Many times we've seen that side of the floor with those shots falling for Nem.
Concepcion hops and scores.
Well, it's about time that Archie starts scoring here from Pages Stojakovic and Sacramento Kings. That's how they normally set him up.
Marlon Basco, he normally knocks down those 3-point shots.
And there's pressure to go back and try and win another championship, though it's easier said than done without blocking the rest of the guys.
That shot certainly was easier said. Couldn't sidestep away from the defense. Jonel Bauzon gets the leak out pass. Jonel Bauzon finishing at the cup.
Yan ang magiging challenge para sa mga big man ng Pampanga ngayon.
Running here are the Lanterns. Palma finishing through traffic.
Pero nakita mo si CJ Delfino in that situation.
No, he'll have to adjust in that regard. He was the primary focus of the defense. What about Marlon Basco? Getting in on the help side defense, but nobody marking Jamo Egg. Clemente had to adjust in midair.
But I love the read of Chris Lalata. Little rips.
Rebound. Archie pushing, bounce pass, JLC, the score.
Ganda ng pinakita ang situation na yun. Hindi
There's John Lloyd Clemente at the line for a bonus. He completes the three-point play. That's fresh off a championship in the PSL.
Yeah, right.
De La Cruz gets it to Tiburcio. Short stab is good.
Good attempt.
Egilos. Gets two defenders. Jamo Egilos up and under is good.
So far, Jamo's been...
Casajeros at 6 points in the opening half. Peñano working hard underneath. Gets two defenders, gets the basket to go.
And
making this a ball game once again. Peñano completes the three-point play with a basketball. Working the two-man game with Bauzon. Bailona to Jonel Bauzon to Carl Peñano. Wala, but Jonel Bauzon doing a yeoman's job inside, getting the offensive rebound and almost stepped into a three. De La Cruz receives the handoff. 7 on the shot clock. De La Cruz contorts his body into a shot.
Hindi madali yung tira na yun. Ang dami niyang bunggong dinaanan.
By his luck, siya rin di makashoot doon. Alcoriza nangunguna. Renz Alcoriza will score.
That's where he operates best, out in the open.
Matchup between Pampanga and Marikina. Mindoro takes on the home team, the Caloocan Batang Canculu, in their home opener this season as Jomel Landayan knocks it down from...
And Coach Eric said to be a redeeming quality they've been developing in their defense strategies. And now they're focusing more on the positioning and switching of their players. Javi and Coach Mike?
Maraming salamat, Lyra. Welcome. Atek Di Mayuga, who started this game, is also back on the floor for Coach Eric C. Shot clock is winding down for Pampanga. Nobody marking John Lloyd Clemente underneath.
That's what you want to see. Wow.
It's just some wild plays between these two squads. Clemente finishing that on the other side, making it an 8-point lead again. Nanga without Mike Machon.
Yeah. 4 points on 2 out of 6 shooting.
Concepcion
finally
knocks down the first 3-point shot of Pampanga.
Hindi, si Marlon kasi medyo may pagka-father image.
Grabe ka naman!
Hindi, ibig sabihin veterano na.
Then De La Cruz cutting this lead to just 8 points, 62 to 54. A basket here could certainly help them. Two-man game between De La Cruz and Peñano, and Carlo Peñano finishing despite the contact.
Yeah.
Binuya gets it to a curling Archie Concepcion. That's a tough look. Egilos. Apparently he pushed off.
On Bauzon. Bauzon alongside them, De La Cruz has been the more consistent guys. But Bauzon just having a better plus-minus.
9 points, 6 rebounds in the game para kay Jonel Bauzon. 6 out of 6 from the free throw line. Spin. De La Cruz kicks it out. Velasco back to Nem. De La Cruz, this will be big. De La Cruz gets it from the outside.
Earlier we thought turns, you know, execution and how they perform in situations like this.
Concepcion.
Oh man.
They go to the Royal Bazooka. Talking about Pampanga. That's a quick score. Up. De La Cruz couldn't lose Archie. Look at Concepcion compete here. Bauzon backing up Chris Lalata. Jonel Bauzon! Sweeping hook shot there. More like a sky hook actually. Concepcion wants it. Concepcion fires. No good. Lalata tracks it down. There's a foul. Sino ang matatawagan doon? He had 12 and 12 in their first game. Only 5 points tonight para kay Chris Lalata. Makes it 66 to 63. De La Cruz, wild 3-point shot. And that's off the backboard. Now Marikina has to foul.
They got a foul. 2% free throw shooting para sa Pampanga.
Archie Concepcion making it when it matters the most. Especially when Marikina got to within 2 points. Concepcion goes 2 for 2 and makes it a 5-point lead. No timeout for Marikina. Landayan goes to Josh Roque. Roque for 3. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what he was mentioning earlier. He already was on the spot.
Is to inbound the basketball. Archie almost lost it. Marikina needs the foul.
Got a foul.
Binuya was hit hard. Ooh. but too late. And De La Cruz hit Raymond Binuya.
The time has expired before the whistle was blown. That's the end of
So
our
our
second game,
referees
our final score.
ruling out any kind of foul because the whistle was blown after the time. So that's going to do it. Pampanga getting this hard-earned victory against a young Marikina squad.
And it's good in their possession.
Marikina actually won this quarter 21-17, but Pampanga pulling all the right stops in the end game. Our best player of the game, it's the big man, the veteran, Jamo Eguilos.
Yeah, and he was the stability guy for the Giant Lanterns, and he just continued to provide that. 12 points on a 6 of 7 shooting, 85% from the field, 8 rebounds to go.
Final score 68-66 in favor of the Pampanga Giant Lanterns.